length of the conductor. We already know the length. Am I right? So what is the length of the conductor? L is the length of the conductor. Just before derivation we already find out a small portion का magnetic field क्या है? This is the magnetic field of a portion AB. हम लोग पहले फाइंड आउट करते थे ना. इस इंटीग्रेट करो infinite length conductor का मिलेगा. Okay. Then finite length को भी इस इंटीग्रेट करना चाहिए, but limits are different. The previous case, what is the limit? Minus 512 plus 52. Now I am considering angles are minus alpha to plus alpha. What is the angle here? And just draw the diagram that you can understand. This is the length of the conductor. BC. BC is the length of the conductor. R distance, the point P is here. Join the line like that. This is angle theta. This is angle alpha. Clear everyone? So this is alpha 1 and empty portion is alpha 2. That means this is the basic one. This is alpha 1 and this is alpha 2. That's the reason I am considering here minus alpha and plus alpha. I hope you can understand this. I repeat once more. This is the length of the conductor BC. This is the total length of the conductor. Last time we think D. D is the total length of the conductor. I am considering C is the center point. R distance में point P. This is L by 2. This is also L by 2. Ending points I am joining like that. Okay. This is minus alpha. This is plus alpha. That means this angle is alpha. So limit is minus alpha to plus alpha. अभी समझ गया? Okay. So that's the reason minus alpha to plus alpha. Cos phi d phi. Cos phi का इंटीग्रल क्या है? Sin phi. Apply the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit में फिर भी एक minus है. Vivraj, minus of minus come to plus. So sin alpha plus sin alpha answer is 2 sin alpha. This is the B expression. Magnetic field in a finite conductor. Only one difference the क्या है? Limit में difference the. What is the difference in the limit? Minus alpha to plus alpha we should consider here. Then next step is I am considering the triangle PCB. What is BC? L by 2. What is CP? R. This angle is alpha. And take the sin alpha. Sin का expression क्या है? Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the 90 degree. So this one is the hypotenuse. Sin alpha का opposite side BC by hypotenuse BP. What is BC? L by 2. What is BP? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base square means R square plus perpendicular square means L by 2 square. So sin alpha equal to BC का place में L by 2, BP का place में L by 2 square plus R square. This much clear everyone? Okay. Then after that we should replace this L by 2. The 2 is coming denominator. Either L by 2 but 2 is going to numerator. So 2L divided by 2 of L square plus 4R square. This 2 का square इधर आ जाएगा ना 4R square. How to reduce the square root? Apply square all raised to 1 by 2. This much clear everyone? This step the clear है? Then after that I will just explain you. The space नहीं है तो इसलिए. So I repeat once more. We should consider the finite length conductor. dB expression consider करते थे. Limit change हो गया minus alpha to plus alpha. Sit it properly plus and try to understand. Then cos phi का integral is sin phi. Apply the limit. Final expression मिला 2 sin alpha like that. Then after that consider this triangle. Apply the sin expression. We should get the sin alpha like that. Then simplification में करो. Pause the video please. इतना समझ गए? So from this triangle we should get sin alpha equal to opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is BP. BC means half of the length of the conductor L by 2. BP means hypotenuse. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is the base hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is BP. So hypotenuse square equal to that we want, है ना? BP हम लोग को चाहिए. BP square is the expression. So BP square I am just consider BP square equal to what is base? R square. What is hypotenuse? L by 2 square. This is BP square. मेरे को क्या चाहिए? BP चाहिए ना? So BP equal to square root of R square plus L by 2 all square. So this square root of R square plus L by 2 all square is here. Clear everyone? Then how to change this square root? This square root change करके मैं लिख रहा है R square plus L by 2 all square all raised to 1 by 2. That's the reason all raised to 1 by 2 here. This much clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी clear होगा ना? Then after that, this L by 2 is come in the denominator. इधर L by 2 square है ना? 2 का square क्या है? 4. That 4 is going to numerator. अभी clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 4L in the numerator, this 2 in the denominator, L square plus this 2 is also affecting in the R. Am I right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2 square means 4 R square all raised to 1 by 2. अभी simplification clear है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको? Then after that, this 2 and 4 कट होगा, 2 will be balanced. Am I right? So numerator में 2L, denominator में 2 कट हो गया, L square 4R square all raised to 1 by 2. We should apply this expression. इस expression में apply करने के लिए हम लोग कितना कर दिया ना? So B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi 2L L square plus 4R square all raised to 1 by 2. This 2 4 will be cutting. Denominator is come to 2. All other terms are same. What is this? This is the final expression. Magnetic field of a finite length conductor. अभी समझ गए अच्छा से?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone to clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop. Complete.